Nepeta flowers, nature's feline attraction. Nepeta, commonly known as catmint or catnip, is a charming and fragrant flowering plant. With its lavender blue blooms, it not only adds beauty to your garden but also attracts cats with its irresistible scent. Nepeta is easy to grow and thrives in various climates. It's not just a favorite among felines, humans also love its aromatic leaves, often used in teas. These low-maintenance perennials are perfect for borders and herb gardens. Their delightful appearance and the amusement they bring to cats make Nepeta a must-have in any garden, adding a touch of whimsy and nature's wonders.